What's up, guys? So, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So, it's been a while I did a tutorial like this, and I'm actually pretty excited about this one. So, I want to talk to you guys about how to use Asurahosting because it's one of the issue a lot of people have been having, and I want to show you how to use it to buy your domain name and your hosting. As you can see, so first thing first, to visit Azura.com or Asurahosting. Link is in the description. Instead of you to type it on your browser, just click on the link in the description. That's one. Secondly, it's an affiliate link. So if you like my craft, you like what I've been bringing to you, you like me, you like my tutorials and all that, just click on it to support me. You understand? I get a pretty little percentage if I refer people to Azura as well. So I'm actually an affiliate. So you too can be an affiliate of Asurahosting as well. So you can come here and click on affiliate and also promote their platform. But first thing is first is for you to register, and you can use my own affiliate link to register while that's register with your affiliate link. All right, let's get started with this. Now, Asurahosting is a very cheap web hosting provider. So they serve a lot of countries. They also serve Nigeria. So the first thing you want to do if you want to use Asurahosting, so if you want to use Asurahosting, is to come to their platform at asura.com, and you can see their prices are cheap, starting at $1 per month for web hosting. So now if you want to get a web hosting directly, you just come here and click on view plans. That's the web hosting plan, and you check which plan is convenient for you, you understand, and then you can start with them. So I don't like direct admin, I prefer cPanel, and I don't like monthly plan, I prefer yearly plan, you understand. So as you can see, per year it's $13.79, right? So this is for USD. All right, so you can also convert the price system to an NGN, which is your country currency like Naira. So you can do that. So let me look for where to change it. All right, so normally I'll go to hosting, web hosting, and if I click order, let me see if the price tag is there. Normally there's a price system on the side. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Actually, let's start from the beginning so I can show you how it works. Now the first thing is to find your domain name. So assuming you want to build your website, you've decided what domain name you want to use. So you have to come here and type in the domain name you want to use. So let's say gg let's say v3 hoster, let's say v3host.com, depending 3host.com. I'll click on search. Now when I click on search, it's going to check if it's available, right? Now if the .com is available, it will let me know. If .com is not available, it will give me .net.org. As you can see, .com is not available, .net is not available, just .org. All right, so let's assume I'm sticking with the .org that is available. Now that will be like $12.99, right? All right, so once I come to this part, right, look here, I'll see my country currency. Now whatever country you are from, USD, Canadian dollars, European British pounds, Indian currency, Nigeria. So I'm from Nigeria. I'm going to click NGN. So now I'm selected NGN, and everything I'm going to see on this side now is going to be under NGN, right? If you click on hosting and do our cPanel hosting like we did before, we're going to see it in Naira. So you can see 22,000 Naira. Now this 22,000 Naira is actually cool for the fact that you are hosting 15 websites. So you can have 15 websites on just this plan for just 22,000 Naira in a year. Come on, guys, this is actually cheap. Okay, so let's come back and look for our domain name. So let's say v3hostia.com. Now when I click on search, it will check if it's available to tell me, okay, congratulations, v3hostia.com is available. I'm going to click on how to cart, right? Now that I've done how to cart, I'm going to go to hosting. On the left side here, you're going to see web hosting direct admin, web hosting cPanel, web hosting reseller, web hosting, all forms of web hosting. Now, I normally use cPanel. A lot of people like to use direct admin. It always looks like a file manager of my laptop. cPanel for me has a lot of extensions, a lot of things I can manipulate. So I'll always use cPanel. So I'm going to click on cPanel. Now I'm going to select the cheapest plan because I'm just a starter. I want to buy a web hosting. And I'm going to use the domain already on my card. So I have two domains here that I selected. So I'm going to use v3hostia. Now that I'm using, I'm going to click on use. But if you already have your domain, you can use your existing domain there. they'll give you the DNS to use, right? So this is my um, hosting details. I have a 12 gig SSD storage, unlimited bandwidth, 15 website, 15 database, 50 email, Softaculous included, website builder included, anti-DOS protection included for security, backup. So you can request your money for 30 days if you don't like their hosting. Okay, I could pay for annually, I could pay for biannually. That's 2 years, I could pay for triannually, that's 3 years, right? So I think if you're building a real business, just use triannually. This is 55K. It's expensive, I know, but come on now. You want to make sure your business stay for 3 years without giving you hosting issue. You understand? So that's that. Now, ignore all these other things you're seeing, dedicated IP, vista license, and all this. You are not building a web hosting, so leave WHM and all the other things you are seeing here, right? So you leave all the other thing, you come downward and click on continue. So once you click on continue, now they will ask you, do you want to use DNS manager? This is free for 1 year, but after 1 year you have to pay. That will give you your own domain name server, you can manage it. Now, ID protection, do you need ID protection? If you have not watched my tutorial on how I talked about building sites, some kind of site now, setting kind of site that are not too, you know the word of use, go and watch that video. So I really do not do ID protection, so I just use the system I taught you guys. Now, email forwarding, do you want to be forwarding your email? This is actually free, you can do that from your cPartner, so I don't pay for this. Oh, okay, I'm actually paying for both domain at the same time, so let me remove one and stick to one. All right, so now that I'm done, I have a total of 41,284. All right, 41,284. Okay, so now the promo code, I will give you a promo code. It's going to be in the link in the description if I have any as of posting this video. So then on, if you do not have any account, you create an account using your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, billing address, street address. This you could ignore this. You could do your city, state, postal code, country, password. This is the password that you're going to be using to log into your account, and who domain registrant information, who is registering domain. So use the details above. Now then on, how do you like to make payment? So you could use direct admin, you could use direct credit card and debit card. You could use PayPal, Bitcoin Cash, Flutter with Stripe, USDT. At the end of the day, I just use crypto moss here. Is it crypto moss? Yeah, crypto moss. That's what I use. I just use them to make all payment, as you can see. That's what I use. So you could do whichever is comfortable for you, but I just use crypto. You can use Flutter if you're from Nigeria. I just use crypto. So once you're done, you click on checkout and you make the payment. That's it. You don't have to like do anything. Once you done, you make your payment, your account will be created and you will have access to your hosting provider, and your cPanel details or your file manager details will be sent to your email address that is used to register this thing. So I hope I've been able to explain that to you. So if there's any other thing, if you create an account, you can always go to your affiliate and publicize their platform, and then they pay you for it, just like I do sometimes on most of my video. If I use them for certain videos, I publicize them so that you guys can see and you can use them. Understand? So that is that. Now on the store, they have a lot of things. They have a lot of things that they sell as well. So you could look for anything you like. You could build a reseller hosting from them. Actually, that means you could build your own web hosting from them at the rate of 7,900 per month. For this reseller, I think it's quite expensive though, but their hosting plans are cheap. Regular hosting plans are cheap, but I think this their reseller is quite expensive because this times 4. Let's do this. So calculator. So 7,984 times 12. That's like 95K per year for a reseller plan, which is very, very expensive if you ask me. So for those of you that want to create a web hosting account, this isn't a cool one if you ask me, but for normal hosting, for normal web hosting, you can use it and it's actually cool. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video if you find this video interesting, and I'll see you on my next tutorial. So bye for now guys, see you on my next tutorial. Bye bye.